Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of Sing Mei Liao Liao or Green Plum Liao Liao. Chapter 96, so here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Song and Fei Yu. Wapang came to find the waking girl, so I quickly made an excuses and let them have a good shot. Well, that's fine too. If you not eat breakfast, come to my office to eat it. Company has no regulations that is not allowed to talk about office romance. Why it's like the cheating every time we met. Right now, Song. She was chewing the bread that Peyus gave to her. Well, for her, right now. Isn't this waiting for your nut? Well, Feiyu was holding a milk. Right now, she's going to give her to Song. Song, it seems that she was really exhausted. Wait until I find the right time. Song said to her. Peiyu, she was only happy, looking at Song, munching the bread and also drinking the milk. Suddenly, they got interrupted. Miss Pei, Teacher Song is here also. Well, it turns out they got interrupted by the office mate, and it seems that the two of them are really surprised. Well, it was good that only Song is eating and they're not doing anything. That. I'm going to ask about the bonus. Well, Song, of course, since she win the award, she has a bonus, but until now, company's still not giving it to her. Yu is asking the employee, what's wrong? Lu Cheng, the production manager of the film and television company, wants to meet you. Oh, it turns out it was Lu Cheng. Isn't the project steadily advancing? Is there anything to communicate with Flip-Flop? Condensing. I don't know either. Song said to pay you, but it seems not wrong. Well, right now, you can arrange the time. The secretary said, alright. Looking at Peiyu, it seems that is a little faint for her, but you should need to bear it. For a moment, the secretary is gone. The two of them left on the room, while Song, still munching on the food. But looking at Peiyu, she looks really serious. About this trivial matter, Song said to her, it always feels weird. Right now, she's stuffing. The plan was changed, but in the end, it was changed back to the first edition. That's why right now, I can feel that Lu Cheng's willingness to communicate is high. I asked yes or no, and he replied oh after several hours. Turns out Song has a sensitive, by this triple matter, Song passed to her. Oh now mentioned this person before. Working ability is completely enough and there will be no such mistake. But it seems that it was really getting complicated. Right now, Peiyu is deliberately targeting. Well, I think that's the reason Lu Bao now doesn't know about this man, what he plans to do. The company of Feiyu. Right now, Feiyu was calling Bao now. I'm sorry to disturb you. The rest of this time, well, she want to communicate with her. Maybe something off with Lu Cheng's plan. That's why she really want to confirm it. Well, it's still the project, the production manager's side. Well, on this moment, Song, she was carefully listening to the talking of the two of them. Originally, I didn't plan to Mr. Song directly. In the meeting room, it was Lu Cheng, came to the company, and wants to visit them just to discuss about the project. But right now, it seems that this man is not satisfied. Since President Pei called Bao now, I'll go straight to the point. Well, at this moment, Lu Cheng, she seems to be firm. Mean to change the chief designer. Reason? It was Miss Song's personal ability that could not meet our requirements. Oh, this is tough. She's been accused. But right now, it seems that this person really hated Song. Because she know that Lu Bao now really likes Peiyu. Peiyu was with Song. It turns out it's like a revenge for him. Well, personally, ability did not meet the requirements, but I still adopted my plan. Song, she's taking a deep breath in a calm waterway. But Plan is no problem, the company is no problem. Seems that the problem is with me. Trying to defend herself. Also, she's trying to say to him that there's no problem with her. Right now, she's straight to the point and asks, does Mr. Liu Bao now know about the replacement? Seems that she is not well known, that this man is manipulating the details. Since Mr. Liu gave me the full power of this matter, such a trivial matter naturally does not need to disturb her. This man decided to take place herself. Delivery time can be extended for half a month. The new designers candidates are confirmed, so this is it. He was really firm on her decision. I asked Lu Shengs after you mentioned this last time, but he says that he has been actively communicating. Didn't expect to change the people without telling me whether it's normal or righteous or cooperation between A and B. I will give you an explanation for this matter. Liu was talking to Lu Bao now. It seems that this girl is a little bit disappointed right now, so she hung up the phone. Thought you would be unhappy. It turns out so. She can handle this matter on herself. That's why she looks really calm. If you really might lack ability, I will of course be unhappy, but Lu Cheng's targeting is too obvious. Right now, she sit back. But looking at it, check internal friction, start with me. It's a big no. So, she was really funny, although right now, seems to be a little angry. At the end, Peiyou said to her, you know, I know Lotte little son. Oh, it turns out this girl. She knows that Song is a little bit upset. Do you think this matter will be arranged by Bao now? I believe in you. Oh, she was really sweet girl. She know how to coax Peiyou. Song, you have such a good visions. You will not be friends with the people with a bad character. Peiyou, she was really strong girl. Vision is really great. Peiyou said to her, but my baby is still wrong. Can I invite you to eat barbecue today? Song, right now, she looks really happy. Finally, the two of them calmed down. Well, the story is really getting better. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!